Hello sellers. In my preceding video, I mentioned different advertising campaigns bidding strategies of Amazon. Today's video is associated with that. So if you overlooked that video, please see it now from the given link in the description section. Recently, Amazon advertising has delivered a new characteristics referred to as rule-based bidding for sponsored products. It's a dynamic bidding strategy available for sponsored products campaigns running for at least 30 days. This automated bidding for sponsored products helps you focus your advertising dollars on actual conversions. This bidding choice takes the guesswork out of adjusting bids to attain your advertising strategy. With this bidding strategy, you follow a rule with a guardrail and grant a common bid for your campaign. Amazon will then adjust your base bids up and down with each impression trying to achieve your performance guardrail. This is Hassan from Ecomclips. In this video, I will discuss what is the basic eligibility criteria for using rule-based bidding and how you will use it. Before showing the procedure, let me show you the eligibility criteria for using this feature. First of all, rule-based bidding is available for sponsored products campaigns. It can be automatic, keyword, or product targeting. Your campaign must be running for at least 30 days prior to setting a rule and have a minimum of 30 conversions in the last 30 days. Additionally, your campaign must meet the minimum daily budget requirement of $10. Now let me show you where you can use this bidding strategy. I am targeting a sponsored product campaign that has more 30 orders over the last 30 days and has a minimum of $10 daily budget. Let's get into the campaign settings. I have already described these above bidding strategies in my previous video. The updated feature is rule-based bidding. It was created to allow you to have a targeted ROAS. This bidding strategy takes the guesswork out of adjusting bids. With this, you can apply a rule with a bid guardrail. Amazon will then adjust your base bids up and down with each impression trying to achieve your performance guardrail. For even more control, you can provide an average bid for your campaigns. We recommend setting the ROAS to something that is higher than the current campaign ROAS. For example, if your current ROAS is 3, try 3.5 or 4. Please note that Amazon doesn't guarantee that they will hit the guardrail set. Don't worry, if the guardrail is not met after 21 days, then the rule-based strategy will revert to your previous bidding strategy and target level bids. Rule-based bidding can be beneficial for advertisers who want more control over their PPC strategy. These solutions are often easy to set up and integrate and can save you time compared to manual campaign management. If you have any more confusion or questions, please depart us a message in the remarks section. We are continually right here to assist you. If you locate this video beneficial, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for our upcoming advertising related videos. You can also visit our website to learn more about Ecomclips and our services. Thank you. Happy pitch.